Welcome to the Healthy Homes crash course on air source heat pumps. So what's an air source heat pump? An air source heat pump effectively is your fridge but in reverse. So you put an external unit outside that then takes energy out of the air and then brings that into your building through underfloor heating. So why do we use underfloor heating? Because an air source heat pump loves low temperature, and underfloor heating is a low temperature system. You can use radiators, but that does mean you will need to have huge radiators in your rooms. Why are they good? And the government provides you an RHI payment. They change all the time, so I'm not going to say which one it is. Best place to look for is the Ofcom website. I'll put a link below for you to check on it. You'll get paid for every kilowatt of energy you produce from your air source heat pump to heat your own home, and they can do your hot water. But depending on your efficiency of your home will depend on the payment you get. But most of the time it actually works out that you actually get paid to use it. So it's a great alternative to any form of gas system. It has a better efficiency than a gas-fired boiler, and that's because you are getting free energy from the external air and bringing that into the house. And then you're also doing your hot water again on that. When you wouldn't use it is if you haven't got an external place. So if you're a block of flats, in some other countries they do still use air source heat pumps in blocks of flats. Most new build homes that you'll be doing, they will be suitable for you. Your next sort of step would be to either contact us and we can point you in the right direction, or I would recommend you to go on to the Microgeneration Certificate website, where I'll put another link below for you that gives you a list of accredited installers and accredited manufacturers. So you need to get your RHI, you need to make sure it gets designed and installed by an accredited person. If you'd like to know any more information about Healthy Home Hub or the Healthy Home design, please click one of the links below. And for a bit of fun, if you'd like to go to our explainer video below, you can see if you are a Planet Paul or a Do It Dave. I know which one I'd like to be. And if you are in any way a little bit confused or would like to have further information, please feel free to book one of our free 15-minute consultations where we can run through your project, and if we can help you, that's great. If we can't, at least we'll be able to point you in the right direction. What we'd like to do is to make sure that no one has to live in an unhealthy home. So please remember, if you're going to build a new home, please build a healthy home. Thank you.